Hello and welcome to owmyback-packing. I'm Heather, an over 50s traveller exploring the world one road trip at a time. Backpacking? Well, kind of. I'm putting this heavy backpack in the back of this car and I'm off for some wild adventures. I'm here to show you that adventure doesn't have an age limit. Adventure is calling and I am answering. So join me for epic road trips, hidden gems and a few out of my back moments on the way. So hit subscribe and like and let's hit the road together. Adventure after 50? Oh, it's just getting started. Hello and welcome. I'm Heather and I'm in Bangkok for 3 days before taking a flight to Vietnam because I need to renew my Thailand visa for another 60 days. Whilst here, I've been visiting the ancient city, the Erawan Museum, and I also spent a day at Terminal21 shopping centre, all using the MRT. So let's just jump right in. The transport in Bangkok is brilliant. It's very easy to use and the staff are super helpful. I just wrote down the station I wanted to go to and asked the lady for a ticket and she sorted me out straight away with no hassle at all. The only complications is when you ask an absolute moron to hold the camera for you. But the rest of you don't have to suffer that pain, so you'll all be fine. Today I'll be using the MRT service, but there is also the SkyTrain and the buses are also very regular, not to mention all the songtails, grab taxis and everything else that you can use around Bangkok. This monorail section of the MRT is about 3 or 4 stories high and it has no drivers, which is a little bit freaky to start with, but actually it's really good fun. This morning I'm hoping to go to the Erawan Museum and later on today to the ancient city. Well, I've only just walked in the gates and it's beautiful here. Look at the gardens and I haven't even bought my ticket yet. Look at this incredible 3-headed elephant sculpture. It's absolutely massive, it's so cool. Inside there are these amazing artifacts and antiques that give you a real taste of Thai culture and history. This place is so colourful and full of details, perfect for an awesome photographs. And I'm just floating the lotus flower that goes all the way around the outside of the sculpture. Let's go and take a peek inside. Even the underneath of the staircase, look at that. It's fabulous. Absolutely beautiful. The elephant is split into 3 floors. The first floor is all about traditional Thai beliefs and myths. The second floor showcases Thai art and culture with beautiful paintings and sculptures. And the third floor is a bit more spiritual, featuring items that reflect Thai philosophy and meditation. Now, unfortunately, there's no filming allowed in the top or the bottom floors. However, the top floor is absolutely stunning. It's in a blue colour and it's full of relic Buddhas from the 11th and 12th century. I'm going up again. The ceiling is painted with all the constellations. Unfortunately, this is as far as I could go. The detail on some of this artwork is outstanding. You really need to see it. The large 3-headed elephant is completely surrounded by other elephants. I was just taking a little walk around the gardens and I nearly missed this little guy. I honestly thought it was a plastic ornament. It's been a lovely morning walking around the gardens here. You could definitely spend a couple of hours here. For your information, the entrance to the Erawan Museum is 500 baht per person. Now I've just gone over to the Terminal21 shopping mall, and it equally has rather an impressive ceiling. Look at the size of this place, it's insane. This shopping mall is like travelling the world without leaving the city. Each floor is themed after a different city, from Tokyo to London to San Francisco. The design is super fun and makes shopping an adventure. You can buy food from all around the world here, and if you go up to level 5, which is San Francisco, there is a huge food court. Just go to the cashier at the e-card desk and you can prepay and then use that card to go around and buy food from all the different stalls. The prices are really reasonable here, so it's a good place to try out new food, which is exactly what I'm going to do. I've just spotted this dish with green noodles, pork and duck and a gravy, so I'm going to give it a try. It was lovely. Good morning, I'm at the ancient city in Bangkok. And today I'm going to explore the wonders of this park, so come along and join me. As you can see, this park is enormous. So I rented a buggy. It's a bit expensive, it's 350 baht for the first hour and then 100 baht for every after that. The ancient city is a cultural landmark located just outside Bangkok. It highlights unique blends of historical architecture, traditional Thai buildings and monuments that replicate iconic sites from different areas of Thai history. This is the stunning monument of the moon drop of Buddha Vasanatra, and it symbolises the generosity and compassion of Prince Vasanatra, a revered figure in Buddhism lore. It's overlooking this wonderful lake with a beautiful waterfall and some really pretty statues. This is the replica of the Pavilion of the Enlightened. It is a beautiful representation of traditional Thai design. It's a fantastic spot to appreciate Thailand's rich history and craftsmanship. And this is the Royal Watercourse Procession. And I imagine when these happen, they must look absolutely stunning going along the river. Welcome to the Botanical Garden of Thai literature, where every plant has a story to tell. It's like stepping into a living storybook, blending Thailand's natural beauty with its rich literature traditions. The entry fee into the park from the official site or paying on the day is 800 Thai baht, but if you look online and pre-book with many different apps, you can get it considerably cheaper. So I'm going to give this a try because I'm not brave enough to try the real durian because I have the worst gag reflex in history. I can smell it through the packet. I can't explain that smell. Oh, it's disgusting. It smells like rotting. It's actually okay. It actually tastes like butter, but I don't like butter. Very creamy. Not my thing. If you like cream, you'd probably like this. This is a representation of the floating markets, which if you'd seen my previous video, you know that I haven't yet actually witnessed. The first one I went to was closed the day I went, and the one I was supposed to be going to was about 30 miles away from the Google address that they gave me. This is a replica of the Prachedi Sea Song Rak. The original is located in Luay province in Thailand. Sea Song Rak translates to Stupa of Love and Loyalty. It was built in 1560 during the Ayutthaya period as a symbol of friendship between Ayutthaya, which is Thailand, and Lang San, which is Laos. Now that was definitely said incorrectly. I really like the two nagar that are protecting the front of the temple. I think these are beautiful looking, well, animals, creatures, I'm not sure the correct term, but I think they're just amazing. Sri Song Rak. This is a full-size replica. Here we learn the story of a powerful serpent who sought the hand of a heavenly princess. After failing to win her favour, he sought guidance from a wise monk who taught him humility, leading the Naga to peace and wisdom. And now we come to the Phanong Rung, a stunning temple complex built atop an extinct volcano in Burian province, dating back to the 10th century. It was originally dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva and is famous for its stunning architecture. But it's still big enough that we can climb through, even though you have to hunch a little, and it's super impressive. Look at the huge open space. Apparently these windows can align with the rising sun at certain times of the year. I'm just showing you a few of the highlights, but this place is quite magnificent and it really does deserve a visit. When I come back to Thailand, I'm going to make the effort to try and visit this province to actually see the original, because apparently it's built above an extinct volcano. Well, that was an amazing day exploring the ancient city in Bangkok. From stunning temples to fascinating replicas of Thailand's landmarks, I sure had an adventure. The history, the culture and the quirky sights, it's a place full of surprises. I hope you enjoyed the journey as much as I did. Follow me in the next video when hopefully I would have landed safely in Vietnam. Please like and subscribe and follow along for more adventures. Take care.